Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Redmi A3 to an Android device. Begin by opening Play Store on both smartphones and getting this app called Send Anywhere. When it's ready, open it. Now to use it, choose the same options in both apps. Firstly, I agree and I acknowledge. Then confirm, continue, and allow. In this window about new updates, you can select Not Now or close it right away by hitting OK. Finally, click on your device's screens and select Send at the bottom left corner of Redmi. Then Receive right next to Send at the bottom of an Android. Also on Redmi, using all of those categories from the top, you can pick all of your files to send. I will go with only a couple, just for example. When you're ready, hit Send next to Selected at the bottom. Choose Got It in Here's Some Tip pop-up and decide which connection way will be better for you. If you want to connect by inputting this key, click on Input Key section. Type in all of those numbers from Redmi and select Receive. To scan this QR code, use the scanning icon above User Guide. Close an ad. Allow camera access in the pop-up and point it at the code. Then wait. As you can see, after that, all of my chosen files were successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!